That is horrible. Ew, you're gonna eat it?
I'm smelling it.
We should throw it at each other.
Oh my gosh.
I want to try. Ew! It's like...
Isn't that supposed to make like 2 dozen cookies?
Do you want to hold it?
I'm all battery.
This is supposed to be 2 dozen. It does not look like 2.
It really doesn't. Are we supposed to like double it or something?
I don't... Ow, I just logged in something. I don't know, but this is horrible. At least it's like...
It's so dry. We're so bad at cooking.
Should we add a sprinkle too? Let's add like tons of them.
Okay.
Like,
And then the chocolate chips too.
you can add some too. I'll add these ones first and then I'll let you add the rest. Ready?
Okay. Ooh, I want to add pink ones.
Look at what I did.
Way to go, Mike.
I hope it's actually looking at this and not our room.
No.
Our cookie's wonderful. It's not mixing. Ew, it smells horrible. I can't eat them. They're so gross. Beautiful, huh?
Yummy.
Okay, your turn. Let me wash the hands first.
I'm gonna add more pink sprinkles.
I'll add them if you want to a little bit. Because I want to, and I'm gonna make videos tomorrow.
It's not like wet enough.
They look horrible. At least it's coming out as dough now, though. It's
Kinda.
I think we added too much decoration.
Probably.
Should we add icing inside of it too?
Oh my god, yeah.
I'm doing the icing! We're actually sticking it in.
Why?
Okay.
It's not cooked yet.
So beautiful.
That's not even cooked yet.
I know.
Anyway, it's beautiful.
Just like bite it or something.
Okay. Ew, I hate eggs.
There's eggs in there. People are gonna watch it and be like, oh my goodness. But at least it's not as bad as our pancakes.
Nothing is as bad as our pancakes.
They tasted really good though.
They did.
Like, I'm really surprised because they look here. It just. No, it's not even a slash. I'm Facebooking you on this.
The moon's almost ready.
Okay.
We can show her.
Ready? That's gonna be the most
Oh my gosh.
That's the
cookies
moon.
ever.
That the moon watches. It's almost ready.
Why does it have like 12 nozzles on the cover?
Because you can design it like.
Oh.